Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, you are most welcome as well. So this reading is going to be the special message from your crush. Okay, if you have been crushing over someone but you haven't had guts to go and speak your heart out to your person, and if your person also has not been able to express their love to you, so if they have certain love message for you, what is it that they have? All right, so we are going to channel through the guidance of spirit guides, and of course with the help of the tarot decks. So let us get started. It's going to be a very interesting reading. So what is the special message from my collective's crush to them? The special love message from my collective's crush to them. Okay, let's get started. Wow, you know what came right at the beginning? Two of Cups, you are my soulmate. King of Cups, I have so much of love for you. Two of Swords, I'm trying to balance the situation. I'm trying to, boost that confidence in me so that I can one day come and speak my truth to you. Bottom of the deck, Queen of Swords is there. This sword over here represents truth. So your person, your crush really wants to come forward and express their love to you. All right, and yeah, you know how beautiful it is that the very first card was, Two of Cups. It means that two people are absolutely into each other. You have each other in your mind heavily. You are not thinking about anybody else. Daydreaming is involved over here, longing for the intimacy, longing for the date, getting to know each other, stalking each other's social media. Everything is going on, all the cute and beautiful things that happens when two people are crushing over each other. All right, so your person, yeah, because this is the message from your person. Your person absolutely, sees you, takes you in a very serious manner. All right, by which I mean that, they look at this connection as the special one. Two of Cups, soulmates. All right, and this card is very relevant in this reading as well, for two people who are crushing over each other. Because it means that two people, this card of Two of Cups, it is different than lovers in such sense that, this more indicates towards the interest, the deep interest that two people have towards each other, to such an extent that they are like, telling each other that, I really want that cup of yours, and here's mine. I cannot give it to anybody else but you. This is yours. Please take it. Okay. So, very cute. All right. So that is what your person wants to say, and also your person's heart is full of emotions for you. They are like King of Cups, which means that they are very responsible towards this connection. They feel quite responsible towards you as well. They are protective of you, and they want to nurture you. They want to make you very happy. They want to fill your life with merriment because of the love which they are ready to shower upon you if only the situation is favorable. But somehow they are lacking in confidence, is the sense that I'm getting, or maybe until now they had been, and they are definitely, it is only the matter of time before they will come and express their love to you. All right, they are coming, and of course, the best part of this, very first channeling is that, Queen of Swords was there at the bottom of the deck, which means that whenever your person comes, your person wants to speak the truth. Your person wants to be honest about each and every feeling that they have. They are not going to tell the things which they already, haven't felt, which is there for them for future. They are not going to, have the overtone or undertone of anything. They are just going to tell everything, as they have. All right, so excuse me, what you see is what you get, kind of scenario. Okay, absolutely beautiful. Okay, so what else from my collective's person of interest? What else from my collective's person of interest, please? All right, so let's see what more. All right, so also at the same time, they feel like, yeah, so why they haven't approached you until now, it seems like, is because they feel like you have options. Maybe you are very attractive. If you are a male, you are very handsome. If you are a female, you should be very beautiful. All right, and that is why there are so many people who are interested upon you. Your crush is able to see that every day. If it is a workplace situation, they can see just how many other colleagues are interested upon you. If it is in the school or college, or in the university, they can see just how many people, you know are there around you. Or maybe just your friend circle is so large that they are not able to make out whom you are with and whom you are not with. Or what I mean to say is that your friend circle is so large that they get confused. In such a large group of friends, they might have somebody else whom they are interested in, or whom they have kept as the option, because this 7 of cups is the card of options. Okay, so that thing is definitely in their mind. Okay, and that is the cause of heartbreak to some extent for your person. Although they haven't already come and expressed their love to you, they definitely fear this heartbreak, because they strongly feel like you have options. All right, and hence why they do back and forth, why they have been doing back and forth until now, is because they are scared, they don't want to be hurt. All right, they really want you, they have a lot of love for you. King of Cups is here, that's their energy. But also 8 of Cups is here. It means that they come and then they again feel like, oh no, I don't think any of this cup is for me. There might be nothing for me, and then I might just end up expressing my side of the story. So it might be unsafe for me to express my love, and then they withdraw. All right, so what is the advice for my collective in such scenario? So let us ask for the advice for you. What are you supposed to do in this situation? Let us ask the spirit guides. Okay, so what are my collective supposed to do in this situation then, spirit guides? What are my collective supposed to do in this situation, please? Thank you. Okay. Okay, behave like the Knight of Swords. All right, it is at the bottom of the deck. It means that be confident that this person is coming towards you, number one. And number two is you have some level of heaviness which you are supposed to let go of. Okay, now it might be related to the past fear and trauma that is caused by the hurt that you had to go through while you were in the past relationship. Or maybe you are fearing of the heartbreak after being involved with this person of yours. Okay, but whatever it is, spirit guides are like, you'll have to let go of this. And also 7 of Pentacles is here, which means that you are supposed to wait for your person. Wait, because your harvest is coming into fruition. All right, only 7 of Pentacles are here, but there will be the 10 of Pentacles scenario for you. But just make sure that you are behaving absolutely like the king or queen. King of Swords is here. Remain truthful to your feelings. All right, first of all, you should be able to recognize what is it that you want. Do you really want this person? You should ask yourself. Okay, and if you feel like you really want, then hang on there, stay wherever you are and wait for this person to arrive, because they are coming. Okay, Knight of Swords is also here. Well, looking at all the cards, I feel like you might be dealing with Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. You might be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or you might be dealing with any yeah, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Okay, so these are the signs that I can see over here. So I hope it helps and resonates to you. If it does, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well, and do wait for another interesting reading like this. Okay, till then, love you much. Bye everyone.